Hey, what's up, my people? How you doing? This is Dalton My World, the YouTube channel, and what I want to do, I'm gonna do a quick unboxing today. All right, and I wanted to show you this. I love this. Right, this is so much fun. This right here is the X9. All right, give you a good look at that. That's the X9. All right, it's the handheld games. Now, it's not only handheld games, it plays music. You can actually check out videos on it. All right. This particular device, this is the bigger one. This is 5.1-inch screen. Okay. And I got this off of Wish app. All right. Now, I want to show you quickly. This is my baby. I love this one. I call this my mini me. I bought this one for only about $10. Okay, show you that. All right, and it does use batteries. All right, see, 3 AAA, but it doesn't use that much battery power to play. This little device right here. This little device has 250 games on it. You heard me right. This right here. This little device cost me about, I believe it was 15 bucks. No, a quote, $10. Repeat that, $10. This is awesome. Why? For people because you could turn down the volume all the way and still play the games. So if you commute, you ride the bus. Like when I lived in Seattle, you ride the train. Okay? You even do car sharing. Trust me, this baby right here makes your commute considerably shorter. Okay? You're sitting in a waiting room of any type. You're at the airport waiting. Helps make your commute considerably shorter. Now, to the unboxing. All right. Ta-da! Now, this comes with the how-to manual. Okay. As I said, you can do a lot of things with this. All right. Yes, you can play music, but it's mainly for gaming. This is a user manual. It also comes with a charging card. Okay. Now, you can buy these on eBay as well for about 35 bucks. Let me show it to you. Isn't that a pretty baby right there? Look at that. Turn it over. Right there. Okay. You even got a TV out if you want to plug it into a television. Okay. That's your phone switch. All right. And now, that was the back. And now, here's the front. Okay. Give a good view of that. See the console controls right there? Right. Now, I like this one because it's a 5.1-inch screen, considerably bigger than this one. Of course, this one to me, is more mobile, but you can take this one with you too, or play it at home. This particular device, well, let me show you those. See that? USB port, headset. Yep, you got it. Even storage for SD card. This device right here has 10,000 games on it. That you heard me right. That's the reason I bought it. This device right here has 10,000 games on it. And all the games are classic games. Okay? Just like on this one, they're classic games. Alright. But this one, the graphics on it are considerably brighter. I mean, it is a seriously great classic game console. So if you ever got in those classic games, this is worth the money. And I got this baby for about $35 from Wish, but I also saw it on eBay for around the same amount, and it comes in a lot of different colors. Okay. As you see, it comes in black, white, red, and blue. All right. Now, it's a multi-purpose device. It's not just a gaming console, as I stated, because you can insert an SD card where you have your music on, and then all of a sudden it turns into a music device. So if you're riding on the bus, as I stated, train, and you get tired of playing the games, you can listen to your jams. All right. And I just wanted to show you that quick unboxing of that. The X9 handheld games. All right. Gaming console. All right. And I would like to ask you to subscribe, share. All right. Give me a thumbs up, thumbs down. Either way it goes, you're cool with me. And I'll rap to you later. All right. Also, I'd like you to comment. Okay. I'd like you to comment and tell me what type of gaming handheld consoles do you like? Do you have? And do you enjoy that is at a reasonable price? I'm talking about like for classic games. I'm not talking about like no Nintendo Switch or something like that that costs hundreds of dollars. Something that's affordable, okay, for the average person that's on a budget, okay. Leave those comments below. Can't wait to hear them, and I'll rap to you later. Peace out.